This Source 44 Quick Flick provides a high-level overview of the Farm2School Research Practicum, an educational collaborative project with the University of California, San Diego, the Global Action Research Center, the San Diego Unified School District Farm2School program, and San Diego County Organic Farm and Produce Distributors. Climate change is a challenge that is affecting people and the environment on a global scale. There is indisputable evidence that human activities, such as electricity production and transportation, add to the concentration of greenhouse gases that are already naturally present in the atmosphere. Understanding the activities that cause greenhouse gas emissions and measuring carbon footprints in all business sectors, including the agricultural sector, will help us reduce carbon emissions and eventually mitigate climate change. The questions this project sought to answer were: what is the carbon footprint of a locally grown organic orange? And how does that footprint compare to a non-organic orange grown in Florida? These were the key questions undergraduate students at the UCSD Urban Studies and Planning program sought to ask during their Senior Sequence Research Practicum. A select group of students partnered with Source 44, a sustainability data management company in Solana Beach, California, with the goal to bring science into the service of society. The San Diego Unified School District provided valuable feedback and information about their Farm2School program. The program connects K-12 schools and local farms with the objective of serving healthy meals in school cafeterias, improving student nutrition, providing agricultural, health, and nutrition education opportunities, and supporting local and regional farmers. The UCSD students visited a family-owned organic farm located in Valley Center, California. The farm grows, packs, and distributes certified organic avocados, citrus, and berries nationwide. This local farmer spent valuable time with the students, describing how their organic farming practices and environmentally conscious operations yield the highest quality produce. Students learned about organic farming techniques that have minimal impacts on the environment. They observed the use of solar panels that generate electricity, the complete avoidance of pesticides, use of organic mulch, composting, recycling, and the use of biodiesel for farm vehicles. Students collected data regarding fuel consumption and electricity use at the farm, the packaging of oranges, and transportation routes from the farm to a distribution center and eventually to San Diego Unified School District schools. This data was entered into Source 44's proprietary data management platform, Source Intelligence. The data was analyzed, and then the carbon footprint data visually displayed. The carbon footprint for one box of locally grown organic oranges was estimated at 3.09 kilograms. Most of the carbon emissions associated with the organic oranges were related to the processing of materials for the cardboard cartons in which the oranges are shipped. The carbon footprint breakdown was also visually displayed as a tree map, so the largest contributing factors to the organic orange's footprint could be better understood. A tracer map was created in Source Intelligence to trace where carbon emissions occur throughout the life of an organic orange. This includes carbon emitted from the production of the organic chicken manure used as fertilizer to the transportation of the oranges to the San Diego schools for consumption. Students learned about the efforts on behalf of the Valley Center Farm School District and the cold storage warehouse to distribute the local oranges in as efficient a manner as possible. This, in turn, reduces the carbon footprint of the oranges. The carbon footprint for one box of Florida-grown oranges was estimated at 11.54 kilograms, much larger than the 3.09 kilograms associated with the locally grown organic oranges. In this case, the majority of carbon emissions was associated with trucking the oranges from Florida to San Diego. This tree map, generated in Source Intelligence, further demonstrates this fact. The students learned that the carbon footprint associated with the locally grown organic oranges was significantly lower than the carbon footprint for the Florida-grown oranges. The benefits of farm-to-school programs were clear to the students. Sourcing locally, organically grown produce not only provides children with healthy alternatives for meals at school, but it also supports regional sustainability efforts by minimizing carbon emissions associated with orange growing, harvesting, and distribution by non-local farms. For more information about Source 44 or any of the companies and organizations featured, please visit their websites. This has been a Source 44 Quick Flick.